To begin selling on TikTok, start by opening the app and logging into your account. Tap the profile icon, located at the bottom right corner, and then access your settings by clicking the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From there, select the option to create tools and then choose TikTok Shop. If you haven't already, follow the prompts to set up your shop profile. Once your profile is created, you can start adding products. To do this, tap the Add Product button and fill in the required information, including the product name, description, price, and any relevant images. After completing the details, review everything carefully and submit. Your product will then be under review, and once approved, it will go live on your TikTok shop, completing the process of adding products and enabling you to start selling.